You will not kill my ally!
Going up! Hey, what's up guys, All Anime Joker here. If you made it to this far in the video, I appreciate you for staying and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Some little background on the PC build. So I was hired to build this by a streamer named Shawty Riza. She's been trying to get a gaming PC for the longest time, but didn't really have any knowledge in gaming PCs and also had financial issues. So I worked around with her budget and created this beauty. Case we're working with is the Montech King 95, which is an awesome fishbowl style PC case. It was my first time building in it, and it was actually really awesome. It actually probably become one of my favorite cases now, fishbowl style anyways. Rocking in it is a, we have, I think, 8 AsiaHorse Unifans, Infinity Mirror Unifans, all reverse blade. They look really awesome and actually are way cheaper than the Lee & Lee Unifans and work just as good. Only thing that sucks is the daisy chain is cable. It's not like clipped like the Lee & Lee ones are. And now for the specs, we're rocking a 12600KF on a DDR4 MSSI Pro Z790 motherboard. Stuck with DDR4 stuck with DDR4 mainly because of her budget, and we got 64 gigabytes of G-Skill Ripjaws RAM, maxed out at a 3600 megahertz. And now for the GPU, we have a 4060 Ti, the Asus Tuf Gaming one. Now, it wasn't really my choice to use the Asus Tuf 4060 Ti, but the client requested it, and what am I gonna really argue? Anyway, I was able to work it in the budget, and it came out really good. The performance was actually a lot better than I expected. It was really fantastic. Played a lot of Apex, GTA, and even Valorant, which were the main games she was wanting to play. Couldn't fit Warzone in there, mainly because of how huge of a download it was, but all in all, great performance. The temperatures were fantastic too, and the PC looks absolutely phenomenal, and I hope to get another chance to do it again. If you guys like the build, please again like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'll be posting more PC builds in the future, as well as other videos such as for anime and gaming. Appreciate you all for watching, and I hope you all have a good day.